Hello. I think that we can start the second session. Let me introduce myself first. I'm Corovessi from INZEB, Greece. I'm happy to be here today with you, and I'm happy that two of the projects that we are working as organization is in this full poster there. You already have seen the teasers of the four projects that we will work with them today, and we will find out what they have been doing, their insights, outcomes, and how they can contribute to the EPBD recast and the transposition, of course, that needs to be implemented in the couple of the next 2 years. So the second part of today's meeting is about the overview and insights and outcomes of the four projects: the crossCert, the EPC RECAST, the EUB SuperHub, and the IB Road to EPC. We will have four presentations, project presentations, and at the end, we're going to have a synthesis of selected key insights. 15 minutes for each presenter, so please keep the time as it has been allocated in order to respect the time schedule. And without any delay, I would like to welcome again Norberto Fueyo from the University of Saragossa to present the cross-testing EPCs across Europe and the lessons learned from the project.
Thank you, Alice. And